हाय गाइस, सो वी हैड अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल डे यस्टरडे। हम लोग बाना हिल्स गए थे एंड बाना हिल जाने के बाद हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा धूप में थे। एंड धूप में डेफिनेटली, जैसे मैंने पहले भी वीडियो में कहा था कि आपको यू हैव टू पुट सनस्क्रीन, कैरी अ नाइस पेयर ऑफ शूज़ ओवर देयर। आई एम कंफर्टेबल इन बूट्स। मैंने तो बूट्स पहने थे, लेकिन हैव सनस्क्रीन, हैव अ गुड पेयर ऑफ बूट्स ओवर देयर एंड कैरी सम कैप और अ हैट। डोंट कैरी अ कैप बिकॉज कैप आपको सामने से प्रोटेक्ट करेगा, वो शैडो देगा, लेकिन जो हैट होती है वो पूरा आपको पूरा शैडो देगी। लेकिन उसके बाद भी बिकॉज वी वर ऑन द रोलर कोस्टर, वहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत धूप फेस पे गिरता है एंड इनिशियली तो मैं कैब लेके नहीं गया था, सो थोड़ा सा टैन हो गया हूँ ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है। एंड मेरे साथ अपू भी थी, वो भी टैन हो चुकी है, तो उसका एक सोल्यूशन है हमारे पास अभी। तो आई जस्ट शो इट, शो दैट टू यू। Oh, Appa, what is this?
This is Chandan and Multani Mitti with some yogurt.
Yeah, and what is this?
Nothing.
What is this?
Some stuff.
Appa. Show me na. Oh my God, looking so pretty. दिखा, मुल्तानी मट्टी डाली है, उससे एक्चुअल में टैन निकलता है। Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you very sure?
Very sure.
Are you very sure?
Very sure.
Look at the camera.
No.
देख ना, please. What are you drinking?
Green tea.
ग्रीन टी। और ट्वाइनिंग से क्या?
Yeah.
मुंबई से लेके आई है।
Yes.
ठीक है। हेलो मेरा बाबा, मेरा बच्चा। शो मी।
No.
ओके, थोड़ा मेरे को भी देना।
Yeah. So I'll apply on you.
चलेगा ना?
Nobody does that to the girlfriend.
मुझे कितना भाव मिल रहा है आज।
Sitting on your makeup sheet and doing tum.
So what does this Muldani Matti do? Oh, it's cold यार.
Yeah.
Actually it is cold.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. अच्छा लग रहा है।
This
तुझे कुछ चाहिए खाने के लिए? Pringles, Snickers, Poco। कितने का था देखते हैं ये। कर्मा केटरे। Oh my God, it is actually cold। ओ वाह, ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने नहीं बर्फ रखा है फेस पे। हुडा बियर दो क्वांटिटी इज 25,000। ओके, आपको पता नहीं है। दैट इज अप्रोक्सीमेट $1। सैप्रो बियर 36, कोला, स्प्राइट। अच्छा, लिफ्ट माई हेयर।
No, full. Yeah, same.
By night tour, and the tourists want to see the dragon bridge with the fire and the water. There's for the dragon show tonight, there at 9 p.m. And then we have to wait for the boat go back to the port.
Hi, so today is a new day. We are at, where are we, Appa?
And Marble Mountain.
So we are at Marble Mountain right now. We are climbing high. बहुत ही धूप भी है, ठंडी भी है, थोड़ा ऑफ है, लेकिन we are having a guide today. It's a group of 15 people from France, Netherlands, Indians. हम लोग ही है. I'm climbing a slope right now. तो थोड़ा सा uphill में चल रहा हूँ. It's beautiful right now. Let's see how the day goes. Before we begin, अगर आपको मेरे वीडियो अच्छे लगते हैं, प्लीज़ ड्रॉप अ लाइक, हिट द बेल आइकन, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल टू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन हाउ आई कैन इम्प्रूव। सो अप्पा, व्हाट इज द आउटफिट ऑफ द डे? Yeah, that's a cap we took yesterday.
Require this. This is not for style,
Yeah.
but for protection.
हाँ.
Glares for protection.
Yeah. Protection from whom? Me.
Sunlight.
Yeah. That's a nice dress, nice white dress. Take a spin. Just don't fall. Okay, looks beautiful, yeah? Lot of trees. Nice. Lot of tourists also. भी हम लोग ये देखने वाले हैं. Let's see. हाँ, झंडे लगे ना. Oh, that's a minion on the झंडा. Very nice, yeah. Appa, you have a bottle of water, no? मेरी bottle तेरे पास है ना? Apparently, yes. Nice garden, yeah. Right now we are walking. यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी झाड़ है. Man, it has been grown, I would say, since a very long time. धूप भी है लेकिन ये छाँव की वजह से काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm sorry, I might be panting a little bit because पूरा uphill walk था, but ठीक है. एक मिनट. So yeah. Wow. Look at this. Very nice. Yeah. The guide is calling us. जैसे हम लोग अंदर घुसे, everybody started taking photographs and videos. So yeah, I'll just come over here. Nice bonsai. That's our guide. Nisa.
We got a bit here. Don't worry. Yes.
Yeah.
We have one more guy in our group. Hello. We're here. Yes.
Look, just one question. Which one's your bedroom?
I wish it's mine.
Tell us.
So.
I'll find you all the time.
Yes. Okay.
It's a hat.
You can recognize me right here. And for us, we are already in Monkey Mountain. The name Monkey Mountain because in the forest here there are lots of monkeys. But depend how lucky we are today. If we are lucky, we can see lots of monkeys. If not, no monkey. Because sometimes if it's too hot or it's raining, the monkeys don't want to go out at all. They just hide in the forest. And in this place, there are two more names to call. People can call Bible. Bible means beautiful place where the fairy land. Because according to the legend, it's a beautiful bay nearby here. And then the fairies come here for partying. Also another name to call this place, people call Linh Ấn Temple because of the big temple in front of us here. And the whole area here were built from 2004 up to 2010. It took 6 years for building. There were lots of trees here before, there was nothing here. But the reason people built the temple in this place because some fishermen, one day they come nearby here for fishing. They saw one Buddha statue. They grabbed that Buddha statue and told to the local government. Many people who follow Buddhism believe that Buddha want to stay here, and that's the reason they built a temple in this place. Yeah, and for us today in our group, can I ask this one about religion place? So do you have any religion? You have religion?
I have.
Yes.
I'm a Hindu.
Hindu?
Yeah.
Yes, I is Hindu. No religion? Yeah. You know, in Vietnam, the most religion here is the Buddhism, but it's just about 15%, 15%, because 70% of the population are free. We have no religion, but we have a belief. We believe to the dead people, the ancestor. Whenever you visit Vietnamese house, you always remember, you always see the altar for the ancestor, and that considered the most important place in our house. And we always remember about the dead because we do the ceremony for anniversary of the dead every year. And the way we do, we cook a lot of food, especially the food when that person steals. All the stuff I mentioned to you, those just make a paper, just paper one. The fake one is not the real one.
Oh.
In Vietnam, in the past, people burn a lot of fake Vietnamese stone, but nowadays they prefer burning fake US dollars or euros. They say high rate in another line. life, people can change and they get better life in another life. Because for us, we think they don't die, they just come to another life for living. And what we need in this life, in the another life, is the same to them. And many guests, the first time coming to Vietnam, they never know about that. When they see people sit down and burn money on the street, they really surprised. They say, what are they doing? They're burning money. But actually, it's just the fake money. It's not the real money. Now you know already. And later, when you see people here burn money, don't surprise. Yeah. And if you see the fake clothes, fake money, something like that, not yet?
No.
And if you see the fake monies or offering burning?
No.
Yeah, I've seen
Yeah.
Yes. We
Burning
see
things
on the floor.
burning.
Yeah, sorry. And Southern Buddhism about the Lady Buddha. If you travel to China or Vietnam, you can see many Lady Buddha. But if you travel to Thailand or Myanmar, you don't see the Lady Buddha there. Because for those countries, they follow Southern Buddhism. It's a Theravada. And for us, we follow Mahayana. Yeah. And the second big different thing between Northern Buddhism and Southern Buddhism, if you travel to Southern Buddhism country like Thailand, you see only have one Buddha. There is only one Buddha. People call him present Buddha or real Buddha. The name for him is a Shakyamuni Buddha or Siddhartha Gautama. But if you travel to Northern Buddhism like Vietnam, you not only see the present Buddha, you also see the past Buddha and the future Buddha. The past Buddha we call Amitabha Buddha and the future Buddha we call Maitreya. For us, if we don't follow Buddhism, or some people they follow Buddhism too, but they say so hard to recognize the present Buddha and the past Buddha. But most of the time, the present Buddha is in the position sitting down for meditation, and the past Buddha is in other position. But then the Buddha in the future, very easy for us to recognize. If you see the Buddha with the big belly and the smiling face, we have a happy Buddha here. Yeah. So that is the Buddha in the future. And people call him Happy Buddha, Lucky Buddha, or Laughing Buddha. And later I will show you 3 different Buddhas today. Yeah. And that is some like a big different thing between Northern Buddhism and Southern Buddhism. But they have a many small aspects different too. Yeah. This life, in the next life, you
Circle
will
of
be birthed
birth.
in many different forms. And in Buddhism, it's pretty much like you get what you pay, like karma. Yeah. So for example, in this life, if you are super good person, you always do the good thing, you never harm anyone. After that, people believe you will rebirth like God or demigod. If you do so in this life, next life you can become a human again. But if you do some bad thing in this life, next life you can become an animal. Yeah. Or if you do more bad thing, you can become hungry ghost. Or if you are super mean, super evil in this life, after that you rebirth like evil creature. There are many different forms like that. And in Buddhism, they believe that in the hell there are 18 floors there. So if you are good, you stay in the first floor. But if you are so mean, so bad, you go down in the 18th floor. And the lower floor you stay, it takes longer time for you to get rebirth. Also, there are many punishments in the hell. For example, in this life, many people, after that, you go there, people cut your tongue off. Or if you are children, but you hit your parents or you do some bad thing to your parents, after you go down there, people throw you to the hungry tiger or hungry snake and you get eaten by those animals. Or if you kill someone in this life, when you go there, the punishment for you, they have a big, very big iron pole, and some security guy there keep blowing the fire. After that, they take off your clothes and they tie your body there, and your body get burned with those. Yeah. So there are many punishments like that, and that's the reason we try to be good in this life. Okay? Yes. So like that, hopefully we don't get those punishments. Yeah. And in front of the temple here, you also see there are 18 statues, 18 marble statues, and these are 18 monks. Yeah, 18 months. They represent for different emotions. You can see some of them look so sad, some look happy, some look angry. They just represent for different emotions like us. Yeah, and they stay here, look like the security for the place here. And in front here, you also see there's so many beautiful Buddhism. They want to donate, give something to display. Also, when you walk around, you can see many chairs, often write the name of the person or of the place. So like that, we know who donate to here. And when you come here, you can see the highlights in this place. Lady Buddha in Vietnam, 6 building from 2004 up to 2000 statues of worship inside. But for us, they not allow for us to go up. They just allow for us to visit the ground floor, the first floor, because some other floor only allow for the monks who stay here. Sometimes go up there and offer or pray something to the Buddha. But for visitor, they just allow for us to stay in the ground floor. And the Lady Buddha here just make of iron frame and concrete. People build up her slowly together. And when they build her back in the mountain, her face in the sea. They believe that she can watch over the sea and she can save all the fishermen from the bad storm or bad direction. And for the fishermen, when they go there for fishing, if they look back, they think someone stay behind them for protecting them. Maybe by coincidence, maybe it's true, we don't know. But before 2010, before this area were built, in Da Nang, during the rainy season, there were so many typhoons hit in this part. But since 2010, no more typhoon hits in this part anymore. That's the reason my people really believe that the Buddha here protected them. We don't know, but that's how people believe here, especially people follow Buddhism. And in Da Nang, you can find the other 3 temples have the same name, Linh Ấn. It means holy temple. The first one we are here, this one is the youngest one. After we go to Marble Mountain, you can see another one there. And the one in Marble Mountain is the oldest one. And if any of you travel to Bana Hills to the Golden Hand Bridge, you will see another holy temple there. And the 3 temples stay in the 3 different locations. One there, one up there, one up there. Look like the triangle part. Protect Da Nang city in the center and make the city become very strong, very developed city. In Da Nang, it considered the 3rd developed city in Vietnam, just after Ho Chi Minh and Hanoi. And in Da Nang, the population 1.3 millions and the area 1,285 square kilometers. Yeah, and today we come here because it's not really like any special day today, so you don't see many people here. But in some special day, it's especially the special day for Buddhism. A lot of people come here for praying because to Da Nang people, this one is the holiest temple in the city. And for Vietnamese, this one is also one of the holiest temples. That's the reason this place attracts lots of people coming. But today it's not only popular for spiritual visitors, but it becomes very popular place for all the visitors, all the tourists. Because whenever you come here, if you look down there, you can see beautiful panorama view of Da Nang city. Also, when you come to this place, you feel very serene, very peace in mind. That's the reason this place attracts more and more tourists coming. Yeah, and now it will be free time for you here, so you have about 30.
क्या बोली? What did you say? You'll kick me in the butt?
Do
Why?
you have some sham?
Sham? वही
You are
कौन
in a
सी
temple.
स्कूल से सीखी थी sham?
You are in a temple.
इधर नहीं लेफ्ट राइट ब्यूटीफुल रिच हिस्ट्री
Same ही है सब.
हाँ सेम ही नहीं है पर बाबा ये जूते नहीं निकालने ना बाबा यू कैन
Same लिखा हुआ है. देख.
to enter this you have to remove your shoes over here
Sandal.
yeah sorry remove your shoes over here you have to remove our shoes over here shoes निकालने के बाद we have come over here we kept our hats over here you can see the view from here it's beautiful we're gonna visit that statue also over here very nice ब्यूटीफुल टेम्पल हम लोग टेम्पल के अंदर आ गए हैं सो यू कैन सी दिस ब्यूटीफुल statues nice very powerful the statues have meaning मुझे लैंग्वेज समझ में नहीं आ रही थी वहाँ अंदर कुछ बोल रहे थे आई थिंक दिस इज द बुद्धा very beautiful I'll just try and come a little closer I'll show it to you काफ़ी अच्छा है, काफ़ी सुकून सा, काफ़ी पीसफुल इट फील्स। दीज आर मोर स्टैचूज ओवर हियर, काफ़ी अच्छा, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। ओह हेलो डियर। यहाँ पे और खूबसूरत इधर रियल ट्रीज ओवर हियर, काफ़ी खूबसूरत सी जगह है, वेरी पीसफुल एक्चुअली। कैन जस्ट कम ओवर हियर, सिट डाउन विद योर लव्ड वंस, जस्ट चिल, जस्ट रिलैक्स, वेरी पीसफुल, वेरी मेडिटेशन वाइब्स। और यहाँ पे जो म्यूज़िक चल रही है ना, इट मेक्स यू फील मच मोर यू नो एनग्रॉस्ड इनटू द मेडिटेशन। वहाँ पे अपूर्वा चल रही है। इफ़ यू सी ना, दे अभी मुझे भगवान जी पता नहीं कौन है, बट वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। दे हैव दिस लाइट का स्टैंड, लाइट कैंडल्स, फ्रेश फ्रूट्स ओवर देयर। वो जो है ना, वहाँ पे अगरबत्ती लगाई जाती है। इससे सा इन्फॉर्मेशन हो गई हो। वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी 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 ब्यूटीफुल। नमस्ते जी, चाची नमस्ते कर रहे हैं हमें। आगे जी दिया लगाया है, फ्रूट्स है, फ्लावर्स है, वेरी नाइस, वेरी दिस फील्स सो प्योर, सो फुलफिलिंग आई वुड से। ये बैक साइड ऑफ द टेम्पल के यहाँ पे था, यहाँ पे बुद्धिस्ट मेन टेम्पल है। द ग्रैंड स्टैचू ऑफ द बुद्धा, वेरी 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 ब्यूटीफुल। यहाँ पे लोग आके फोटोग्राफी निकालते हैं। लाफिंग बुद्धा, बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत सा है बुद्धा है ये। अपा, यू वांट टेक अ पिक? आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ वॉरियर। It has a, I don't know, I might be wrong also, but I think it has a armor, it has a sword and बड़ा ही खूबसूरत सा है। अपूर्वा की चप्पल ना मैं उठा के ना छुपा देता हूँ, इधर रख देता हूँ, तो उसको मालूम ही नहीं पड़ेगा। You saw me, shit। इसे एक्चुअल ऑरेंजेस हो गए यहाँ पे ना। ये वाले झाड़ जो है ना, आई थिंक ये वाले बॉन्जाई जो है ना, मैंने बहुत देखे हैं। तो बेसिकली ये जो बॉन्जाई है ना, बहुत सारे लोगों ने गिफ्ट किया हुआ है। ये स्टैचूज आर ओवर हियर टू प्रोटेक्ट द प्लेस ऑल्सो। पापा थोड़ी सी ना बकवास बंद कर दे, मैं बहुत अभी अच्छी स्टेट में हूँ एंड आई वुड से आई एम एट पीस हियर। लुक एट दिस स्टैचू, ये सबसे बड़ा वाला स्टैचू है ना पापा, ये सबसे बड़ा लेडी बुद्धा ना इन वियतनाम। बहुत सारे हम लोग 67 मीटर्स टॉल। इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल दैट आप डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ आते हो, डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ के रिलीजन को एक्सप्लोर करते हो, कल्चर के मालूम पड़ता है। इट्स डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस। हम लोग बाहर आए हैं यहाँ से एंड दिस इज़ अ व्यू टू इट। बहुत ज़्यादा स्टेप्स है यहाँ पे। तो यहाँ पे बोला जाता है कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे मंकीज़ भी मिलते हैं। एक तो हमारे पास पापा ही खड़ा है, या people are coming and feeding the sparrows। अच्छा, आइसक्रीम भी है। तो ये स्टैचू के अंदर ना, यहाँ पे ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे जा सकते हो, उसके एक फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जा सकते हैं, इतना ही अलाउड है। बाकी सारे फ्लोर्स पे ना मॉन्क को जाना अलाउड है, तो विल नॉट बी एबल टू गो ओवर देयर। इफ यू कैन सी मंकीज आर ओवर देयर, या ओह वाह। बाद में रियलाइज हो क्या कर रहे थे। देखो फोटो शूट चालू है यहाँ पे मैडम का, वेरी नाइस। आंटी जी गेट अप एंड डांस। लोगों ने थोड़ा सा रिफ्रेशमेंट लिया है। ये नेस्कैफ़े की कॉफ़ी है यहाँ पे, बहुत ही टेस्टी है। कैफ़े नेस्कैफ़े वियत एंड आप देख सकते हो कार्बोहाइड्रेट 14.1। आपको लैंग्वेज समझ में आती है तो ठीक है। आपने क्या लिया है? अच्छा, आई होप इट्स गुड, लेट्स ट्राई। आपको क्या पाइए? यहाँ के टॉमीज देखो, टॉमी सुनता ही नहीं है। टॉमनी हेलो, नी हाँ मतलब डॉगीज को ना सीटी समझ में नहीं आती है। आइसक्रीम, उसकी आइसक्रीम समझ में आता है। ओ इतना उदास क्यों मेरा पापा? भाइयों, हमारा मंकी माउंटेन की ट्रिप ख़त्म हो गई है। दिस हाउ वी आर गेटिंग डाउन। आगे मन मोर डॉको, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। यहाँ पर नीचे जाने के टाइम ना स्टेप्स देख के जाना, तो कभी कभी समझ में नहीं आता है, बिकॉज व्हेन यू वेयरिंग ग्लेयर्स ना, कभी कभी थोड़ा सा मिक्स हो सकता है, सो यू कैन मिस अ स्टेप, जो मेरे साथ हुआ और मेरे हाथ पे लगा है अभी।
Because smart people while climbing up and down stairs should remove the glare.
ओह यस, शी इज़ राइट।